Hello guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I just have it in the studio right now. This is the 256GB version, 12GB RAM, and it comes in black. Well, without saying too much, let's unbox it. Right. I don't have a knife, so this would do. So let's have this out. Yeah. So that's the beautiful device. What comes in the box? We just have the device itself, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This feels like the Note 20 Ultra coming out from the box. It feels almost the same. And in the box here we have nothing but cable, USB-C cable for charging. And that's all. How boring is that? No headset, nothing. Well, that's sad, but let's open this. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You know, left to me, this is still the Note because there's a pen here. It's exactly the same design as the previous Note. I guess Samsung cannot really distinguish between their Note line and their S Ultra line these days, and so it's better for them to integrate the whole lineup into just the S lineup. It packs 4 cameras, periscope lens, an ultra wide and a wide, and an IR here, and a flash. And so that's all. Let's have this removed. Okay, we'll leave this for now. Should we leave it? No, we're removing it. So that's the device, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra unboxing. I'm trying to power it on. It's not powering on, so I guess the battery is okay. It's not low. That would have been surprising that the device is low. And so the build feels great. The screen is already looking tempting for me. And then we have SIM ports, the charging port, microphones on and off button, the power button, volume buttons, and all that. And so that has been the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'll be reviewing this in full soon. I'll spend a lot of time with it to make sure I cover as much as possible a realistic use of this device. I'm excited to test it out. It's great. So that'll be all for now. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video. Peace.